Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'll unboxing review of the Blu-ray slash DVD, and this one's for a DreamWorks movie, which I just got recently, and it's DreamWorks Trolls Band Together, which you guys see my in the end of my Lego hunting slash haul video. I had this in the haul video too. And like I said in that video, this is the third Trolls movie, which I also did a reaction to both a teaser and trailer to this one on the channel here months ago, way before this movie came out. Here we got Blanche and his brothers on the top, and Poppy and her sister right at the bottom, which, like I said in my reaction to the trailer, I believe, they should have saved the twist of this person on the left to be Poppy's sister until the movie came out. But it is what it is. You got these kind of diamond speaker thingies, which I kind of forgot what these are. It's been a while since I've seen this one. I believe I only seen this one once in the theater. And here's the back of the case. We got some of the scenes from the movie. And just one right here is from the teaser too. And on the back, here also says bonus features. It comes with short, deleted scenes, how to hug at time, hey sits, hi, and more. And also has sing along with 14 songs on the top, because this is also a sing along edition. And now let's take off the plastic off the Blu-ray case here and take a look at the Blu-ray and DVD that comes within the case here. And now let's open this up. And we got the DVD on the left here, which is completely covered in blue. And the blue on the right with mix of blue and gray. And this is what the DVD and blue looks like for Trolls Band Together. And that's it for today's Blu-ray and DVD unboxing review. If you enjoyed today's Blu-ray unboxing and review, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when new videos uploaded to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.